Hi. In this video, I will show you how to install LibreOffice on your computer. Open Google or your favorite search engine and search for LibreOffice. Click on Download LibreOffice. In the Download menu, select your operating system. Click on Download. Wait until the download has finished. Click on the small arrow, then click on Open. The installation will start. Follow the steps in the pop-up windows. You may have to grant admin permission. Wait for the installation to finish. Double-click the LibreOffice icon on your desktop. An overview of the available LibreOffice apps opens. More on these apps in upcoming videos. You can modify, repair, or remove LibreOffice from your computer if you double-click the downloaded .exe file. Thanks for watching.